Chraen tobar sa tauru. Maige jeg thráfaidh. Ní scríbhneoir ní smó. Roinne mé mo díhil. Agus is scamalom. The well run dry in the summer, 1935. I will write no more. I did my best, and I no longer care. Seosamh Mac Grianna. Seosamh Mac Grianna tarmsa. Agus haimman de blianta caraniarum ein Maria Coleman. Hog sé Joe elmi arum saol. Joe elmi is Tonio. The arse of the town. In Dublin they call me Professor Green. And the children called me Old Butts when I searched for cigarette ends on the street. I gran ar a tower ta buntla dain. No, what is like danum ken tiny matart? Hadaku. I decided a long time ago to free myself from people. Leve sire an truelju a higgis an agni gadget of Latini. People pollute the mind. I had to keep my mind pure. In my Bhealach Fhéin agus la siú. Has dali credwal in Asha. Waarom is Scríbhneoir Arabi? Pero lori bi ogin je jangi sa gun heen la lew. I'd always planned to write in English. Ours was an oral tradition. We my head in the skeelia bear that Maria. Our stories they were firelit stories. Tasting the turf smoke and creeping out of dark corners to dance with shadows. How can you picture yourself as a writer in a language no one reads? It's like trying to explain poetry to a politician. A Dearthóir sin a lig. Nar a lé me se Bhealach Fhéin. When I read the first stone by Bhealach Fhéin, everything changed. Stad ma doch ar focal barrel la Comhcheol Magne. I began to embrace the notion that maybe a truly modern style of Irish writing was possible. One which broke with the past, looked to forge its own path. La fhilíocht ar an éach a bhhain is sí, litríart anam an teanga. I would have to bend Irish prose to the range of modern thought. Litríart gaeilge a chur an arhaint da híl bhainniu. And it all began for good or for ill with that first stone. A stone I would push endlessly uphill, only to watch it come rolling back down again. Bhí má mar a bheith Sisyphus a héanam. Bhí sé ráháil. He was hooked. Bhí blas agam sydd yn leor seo mar a bheith blas yr un ag an tsin ar osig ag a ddísin go raibh dheir a tíl a eisce. I'd found my way. Má bhá a héin. An rád sin na bhílam a bhíon. And I would blindly follow that path for the rest of my life. Drunk on that first taste of wine. Darlumse. Could you just view dúsan rád mór le henne, siúlas a hanna ne le leanstan. Ní him a bhalla, eh? I decided to walk the roads in need of wearing. Go where others haven't gone, even if all you can see there are houses for chickens. And I'm to shul na hetar sin na shul in din yele. Maar a mi la fekkel ag donna. Die kerk. Die kerk. My constant disappearances and my strange behaviour concerned those around me, and it was decided it would be best if I went into the hospital in St. Connell's Letterkenny. Where I would spend the next 30 years of my life under the watchful eye of the state. They'd finally captured me. For once and for all, the outlaw Joe Elmy. Riagish Mengael. You bring that, Jokums. Bilingual chun Mac Grianna. Bhí mar bhealach criccan aithníigh an aim. Smé garcar chrán mhór ar ír bhealach. Agus é leocha. Os a brón miltin arms. Ekel sin. Stráca is a úi, húis, gante. I gwylig an gran seo dúsa. I ma smiran. Wanneer maar Comhcheol of ringelad in de hand. Rod jacker Comhcheol wanneer de ringelad. En sievelig. Thuigbheáil dan Scríbhneoir fakkel a chormodje. Dan Seosamh Liam Carson. Dan Dearthóir thuigbheáil. Is mis Joe alumi. Agus ní craifin tobar go John ndeor.